Hey guys, welcome to Can Tho. This morning we've taken a boat ride down to the Cai Rang Markets, which is something that we've wanted to do for years. It's actually really cool as you float down through the middle of the market. All the boats have what they're selling up on big sticks up in the air, and all the locals come down here to do their grocery shopping each day. So the floating markets are one of the main attractions of the Mekong Delta, and you can get everything from pineapples, watermelons to getting a bowl of noodles in the morning as you float down the river. So we've actually hired this boat through our hostel for 350,000 dong for the two of us, which is just over $15. It's only a little boat with an engine that's taken about half an hour to get down here, and then once we got to the market she stopped the engine, she's actually rowing us through. So yeah, we're going to check this out and then we're going to go and have a look at a couple of other things in the river as well. After we went down one of the little side canals with the lady on the boat, she's taken us to a fruit garden a little bit further up the river. So when you come in here, you pay 20,000 dong per person and you kind of directed off to walk down a path, but you're not really sure where to go and there's not really anybody to direct you. And as you're wandering around, you're just kind of wandering around trees, and some of them don't look very alive, and there's no signs to tell you what anything is or anybody to tell you what any of the fruit is. So it's just a bit of a bizarre experience all round, to be honest. So what we're going to do now, we're going to head back to the boat, and I think she's going to take us back into town. Well guys, that was the floating markets in Can Tho. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to do that as well. And we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!